Hey everyone, check out the ColorHome Glow Sticks Bulk Pack with 150 vibrant foam sticks, perfect for any nighttime event. These glow sticks feature 3 colorful flashing modes including fast, slow and alternate flashing in red, blue and green. Made from eco-friendly foam and pearl sponge, they are flexible, durable and safe with replaceable batteries included. You can even personalize them by drawing or writing on the white foam surface for extra fun. Ideal for birthday parties, weddings, concerts, camping and festivals, these glow sticks create an amazing atmosphere wherever you take them. Plus, the sturdy design ensures the top won't fall apart, keeping everyone safe while they glow. If you have any issues, ColorHome offers excellent support for refunds or replacements. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.